Looking for the best water coolers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 water coolers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Vitapur Top-Load Floor Standing Water Dispenser. This model features 3 options for either cold water or room temperature water for your convenience. It's a floor-standing model that uses a cord. It is also Energy Star compliant, and buyers love how good the product is for an affordable price. Solid option for those who want a simple and effective solution. Sometimes this product has problems with leaking, though most reported positive reviews. At number 2. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler. Water bottle conveniently loads on the bottom to avoid spills and heavy lifting. Indicator light lets you know when it's time to change the bottle. Safe ozone technology sanitizes the dispenser with the press of a button. Dispenses water at hot, cold, or room temperature. A handy self-cleaning function and 3 temperature levels separate this sleek option from the rest of the pack. Sound during operation may not be quiet enough for everyone. At number 1. Avalon Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Water Dispenser. Easy loading. This option earns many happy customers with its attention-grabbing looks. Stands out for its attractive, bottom-loading design thanks to the stainless steel cabinet that conceals the water bottle. Produces hot, cold, and room temperature water. Nightlight tops its impressive feature set. The cooling compressor has been known to have issues. Leaks have been reported. Some difficulty removing the drip tray for cleaning. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.